In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a regular email campaign to your audience. First, open your email marketing platform and head to the campaign section. This is the hub where all your outgoing messages live, and it's the starting point for anything you want to send to your contacts. Once you're there, look for the Create button. Clicking this tells the platform you're starting something new and begins a guided setup so nothing important gets missed. When prompted for what you'd like to create, choose Email. This ensures you're building a standard email campaign rather than a landing page or automation. From the available email options, select Regular Email. A regular email is a one-time send, perfect for newsletters, announcements, or promotions, and it gives you full control over the content and timing. Next, select your audience. Think of this as your bulk contact list, the group of people you want to receive the message. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct audience, especially if you maintain multiple lists. Sending to the right group helps keep your messaging relevant and reduces the chance of unwanted emails. Add your from name and email address. Use a name your recipients will instantly recognize, such as your brand or organization, and a professional sending address. Consistency here builds trust and helps your message stand out in crowded inboxes. Now craft your subject line. Keep it clear, concise, and focused on the value inside the email. Avoid overly salesy language and punctuation that could trigger spam filters. A helpful approach is to write something you'd actually want to open yourself. Direct, helpful, and honest. Click Design. Email to create your message. Choose a clean template if available, and structure your content from top to bottom. An engaging header, a brief introduction, your main message with a clear call to action, and a simple footer. Keep paragraphs short, use readable fonts, and ensure your links point to the correct pages. If your platform shows a mobile preview, glance at it to confirm everything looks good on small screens. Clarity and simplicity usually perform best. When your message is ready, click Send to deliver the email to all contacts in the selected audience. Take a final moment to review your audience, subject line, and content before confirming. For example, if your audience has 500 contacts, this campaign will automatically send the same email to all 500 people, which is exactly what makes it bulk emailing. And that's it. Your regular email campaign is on its way.